A mouse was put on the top of a jar filled with grains. He was very happy to find so much food around him. Now he didn't have to run around searching for food and could happily lead his life. As he consumed the grains, he reached the bottom of the jar in a few days' time. He was now trapped and couldn't come out of the jar. He had to depend upon someone to add grains in the same jar for him to survive. Many people get trapped like this mouse while depending on a single income. Let's understand with an example. Mr. X is earning a good salary and he is very happy with his job as well. He spends his salary for all his needs and wants and is very content as the salary is good and regular. As he grows older, this income stops at a point of time, but expenses are still increasing. Now Mr. X is trapped as he was dependent on only one income. Once the jar of single income became empty, he is now dependent on others to survive. Don't depend only on one income. Start building a portfolio of investments by investing in mutual funds, which can generate a second income for you. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.